tutti, ciao everyone. I cannot wait for my makeup if it is done. I'm so exciting. So Kims, please work out some magic and let's do it.
So just outlining the customer's client's eyebrow. Very important to stick to the client's natural, their natural eyebrow shape. Just because eyebrows frame your face, so you don't want the eyebrows to overpower the client's face. So it's always good, especially if the client has eyebrows, to always stick to their natural shape, and just fill it out, but don't go crazy with it. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm outlining the client's eyebrows with some foundation. I know a lot of people like to use concealer. I prefer foundation because it's a lot more easy to manipulate, because it's not so thick. It's just easy to blend and more easier to apply, especially if you're a beginner. I recommend using foundation to outline your eyebrows. This stage is very important. Take your time. This technique helps to define the eyebrows and make sure you blend. All right, as you can see, compared to her other eyebrow, that one looks a lot more defined. All right, we have come to the time for the eyes, right? Your eyes are a major part of your face. It's a major part of your beauty. You get your eyes right, you can just walk out of the house. All right, so I'm going to be using Dessert Sand, Musk and Turkish Delight. Turkish Delight, I love that chocolate. And I'm going to be using the Dessert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty. Okay, so I have added the Dessert Sand eyeshadow to her eyes as a base. Just a nice transition colour, very similar to the client's complexion. Now adding the Turkish Delight colour. This is going to be the main colour that I'm going to use for her eyeshadow. It's a very, very nice colour. It's like a reddy, kind of burnt reddy colour with a shimmer. Okay, so I have added the eyeshadow to the other eye, blended it out. Blending is very important when it comes to applying eyeshadow. You don't want harsh lines unless you're doing the cut crease technique. So I've also added some eyeliner, like a lilac eyeliner, to her upper eyelids, and then underneath her eyes, I'm going underneath her eyes with the same eyeshadow, the Turkish Delight eyeshadow, just to really bring out her eyes and really accentuate this red kind of look that I'm going for. Alright, so I've added some black eyeliner to her upper eyelids, some eyelashes just to really bring her eyes out, and some glitter pigment. Her eyes are popping fire. Right, foundation time. So I've applied primer as a base, and I am now applying some foundation to her skin, quite full coverage. I want the look to be very flawless. So I'm just making sure that I'm blending in the foundation really well into her actual skin. Okay, so foundation applied. I've added concealer underneath her eyes. As you can see, it is lighter than her skin tone. This helps to achieve the contouring look. So underneath her eyes to her forehead, and just ensuring that I've blended in. Again, this blending, you need to blend it in really well. You don't want harsh lines or the product to lay too heavy on the surface of her face. Right, so now I am applying banana powder. So banana powder with a sponge to the areas where I applied the concealer. So this is what you call setting the face or baking. I'm doing that. just to kind of, again, this flawless finish. If you're looking for a flawless kind of finish, this is the technique. Your concealer and then your baking powder, setting powder on top. Alright, so now I've dusted off the setting powder, the banana powder from underneath her eyes, and now I am adding some blusher to her cheeks. You know, bring back some life, some colour into her face. Look at that. Look at her face. Instantly, she's just got more life in her face. So just to complete the look, just sprucing up her hair, using quite a large barrel curling tong to create quite loose waves. You know, she's looking, look, lipstick ain't even done yet, look, and she's already looking, fire. I keep on saying fire, but she's actually looking fire. So now I have finished curling her hair, and I am applying some lip liner to her lips. I'm gonna use, I'm using like a kind of pinky purple color. I wanted her lips to be quite soft and quite natural because the eyes are quite striking. So that's what I'm doing. So I have filled in her lips with some lipstick again, like I said, because I'm going for quite a natural look. Just a very sort of pinky, kind of a deep pink lipstick, just to bring out her lips. Look how her lips are looking quite nice and quite full, but it's not drawing your attention away from her eyes. You're still going to her eyes.
Don't you, baby? Some people want drama ring. No, it's nothing if I got you.
See, I like it when my clients sing. Do you see? Look, getting makeup done, singing a bit of Alicia Keys. Yes, this is the life, man. And as you know, no glamorous makeup look is not complete without a bit of highlighter. You need that highlighter. So just doing a upper cheekbones, a little bit on the forehead, sprinkle on the nose, good to go. So now I finished now, everything's done. Just the setting spray, moving that one random hair out of her eyes. It's so annoying, it keeps on, like, literally it needs to move. Yeah, so so setting spray now over her face just to ensure that it is set in place, and her makeup's gonna last for the whole night.
So it's time now?
Yeah. Sit yourself.
Mamma mia! Wow! Wow! Look.
Told you.
Yeah. Completely different. Jesus. Wow. Because I like it. This is like
big difference,
you know?
innit?
Yeah. How do you call when the sun go down? It's
sunset.
sunset. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Say goodbye to my dark
Bags.
one.
Yeah, and the dark
bags.
lines. Yeah, I hate my dark lines. It's so annoying.
Hello, this is just so beautiful. It's bellissimo. Look at me. I love the color of the eyes that she chooses. So I really recommend Flow Makeup Artistry, and I really wanna say to to Kim a big thank you. I just really love it. I really love the makeup. Thank you, Kim.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial slash makeover. I am a new channel, so please subscribe, please support. I upload content roughly every 2 weeks. Thanks guys, take care and bye.